Good day everyone, NVIDIA launched a 5000 series graphic cards. We're gonna have a look on the cards itself. I think you already seen the specs on the other videos. This video will be all about the looks and cooling systems and also connectivity. Trio, gaming trio, 80 series. Let's see the gallery. Okay, look at the shield. Oh, look how thin it is, not too thick. That's really cool. But only one HDMI. That's unfortunate because I am using TVs as monitors. At least two of them and a projector, so I would love to have more HDMI. Maybe there's a slim version. Look at the back. I mean, top or bottom. I'm not sure which. I mean, it is black with a dragon. I'm not a fan of such a shiny dragon on the top. Well, it's their logo. All right. What is that? Oh, you need 3 of them. And it looks like a gel, but I don't think it is a gel. I think it's a support for the graphic card. All right, let's continue. Gaming trio and the cooling system, very similar to the previous model. I'm talking about the fan itself, but the rest is a bit different. Anyway, Ventus, a lot of white, I guess. Well, the plate looks better. Not too big unnecessary logos. Well, has a GeForce RTX logo. Still thin, still same connectivity. Very similar to the previous 4000 series. Very similar. I think it looks, those fans looks the same. There's a gaming trio with ice. I mean, ice looking. Not with ice. You don't get any ice with it. But white. If you have, white looks better. That dragon dot, it's not like popping in your face. Also, RGB in the middle. I think so. Yeah. So if you have a white case, then it could be nice. All right, let's move on to Supreme. And I think the Supreme will look the best. Ooh, tight. It looks nice. Really nice. Gallery. All right. Oh, and the shield also, I mean, plate, not a shield. Shield is over there. Same, like in a, but a bit thicker, like you can see. Is this a 90? Okay, this is a 90. So 90 will be a thicker card, way bigger card. Check this out. 90 is a clunker, but it looks nice. And I'm not sure if you noticed, but, and some kind of switch. Angle one. It looks very nice. I think it's the number 1. Supreme. And also Vanguard. I think that's the new model, Vanguard. All right. Let's have a look on the gallery. Very thick. This is 90 series. Same shield. I would love to have more HDMI. Maybe there's a slim version somewhere. A little bit of carbon for you. Not a fan of the carbon. Carbon is extremely cheap in China. It's like plastic in China, so not a fan. It doesn't scream luxury to me. Carbon, no. Not at all. Like plastic. Gaming trio, we already seen, but with a 90 series will be thicker. Ventus on the 90 series looks the same. Same cooling, bit thicker. All right. And then the liquid version. All right, we still have a fan on the device itself, and way more fan, way more cooling. Well, it's a huge cooling system. I don't know. All right, and there's a Inspire model. Inspire. Let's see the gallery. I don't know. You most likely have to have a similar color with your case to have that look. Because if you don't, it's a bit goldish, yellowish. Thin. This is 80. Yeah, this is 80. Thin cooling. Not too thick. All right, and going down to the 7 series, same colors. Ventus 570 and Ventus with a 2. Oh, no more. There's only 2 pictures. Let's switch to the Gigabyte. Wow. Now Gigabyte looks a bit different and maybe more impressive, at least for me. Especially those with a cooling system. Water cooling. This is a 90 extreme waterforce. Wow. I love how small the card itself is and how big is the cooling. So yeah, I have a lot of light. I like this one. Maybe I will buy this one. Well, it all depends on the availability. Most likely it will be very small. I have the room for the cooling system. I can even put 2 of them. I have a big case. Unfortunately, there's only 1 photo. Unfortunately. It looks nice. But only 1 photo. Alright. 580. Basically the same. Most likely smaller, but only 1 picture again. And for the custom cooling, transparent one. But no gallery, just 1 picture. And you can RGB that thing, RGB. Alright. Going back again. And then the regular ones, like that Master Ice. Okay. Master Ice. Ice, baby. What is that? You could put extra cooling on it? Really? Okay. Any gallery? Oh, that's side. That. Okay, the Gigabyte has the way better overview. Way better. You have the cooling, wave, more pictures. It looks nice. Okay, but this one is not on the. It's straight to the card. And I think you have a light on the front. Ooh, power indicator. That's not good. That's not good. You don't want to have that tiny white light on the front of your case. No. So then most likely you have to use some tape to block it. I have the same on the motherboard. It's very, very bright and it's bothering me. Oh, okay. That's a holder. Why would they do that? Anyway. Gallery. Well. Thick. And this is 90. So it's not on the angle. Just straight to it. And it has also some switch. The shield is same. Let's continue from the eyes. Alright, just a different color. There's a TV. Okay, this is a 570 Ti. Which most likely will. Oh, there's only 2 pictures. Come on. Semi or shield looks the same. Not the master. OC. Gaming OC. I think this one looks the best. Check out the RGB. Alright. RGB action. Oh. Why would you like to have a moving part like that? I don't get it. You see, every moving part could vibrate because there's a fan, there's a movement, and it could make some noise. Or maybe I'm wrong. But it's not on the angle. It's straight to it. And again, with that light. PALIT. Not a fan because of noisy cooling, which I had with the 4000 series. But let's have a look anyway. Ooh. Oh, there's a video already on YouTube. That's cool. We're not gonna play it because of the copyright. And let's see. Oh, special bearing. Maybe they improved that cooling and now there's no noise. I like that they have a YouTube button to a shortcut to YouTube. That's super cool for PALIT. But look at the card. Look how thick that is. That is thick. You will need to have a lot of space in your chassis. Super thick. This is 90 series. I mean 590. 70mm. Damn. It is thick. I like that they put the measurement. It's super convenient. ASUS. And with the ASUS, what do we have? Okay, I'm going to stay here. Come on. 1 month free of Adobe Creative Cloud. Gallery. Let's hit the gallery. Gallery button. No button for the gallery. Okay. There's a gallery over there. Very industrial looking. Nice. And not too thick. Oh, and we have extra HDMI. Double HDMI. I like that. Oh, this could be one of my first contender. We have way more things to connect. Same looking, same look. Okay, is this a different one? No, it's the same looking. Wow, this is TI. Okay, but same looking. So I guess only one model has an extra HDMI. Oh. Animation, some animation. Yes, nice looking. Special full copper. No, that's not copper. That's cold plate. That's not gold. That's cold plate. All right. All right. So all kinds of action. All right, but I want to see the gallery. Okay. I want to see the shield. Oh, and we do have extra HDMI. All right. Nice. And some stickers. A CD. That was a CD? Maybe it was. Let's continue. And this will be the last one, which is inno3d. I'm not going to buy this one because I don't know the brand. I just don't. Maybe if they send me one, I will love that. But channel is too small. All right, let's see. Product image. Same output. Like not too many images. My English. Okay, there's the ice version. 580. All right, that was the last one. That is it, my friend. Which one would I buy? Hard to choose. I think ASUS is super cool with the extra HDMI. That's a very nice feature. PALIT, not a fan of that glossy design. MSI, I think the Gigabyte looks the best with the water cooling version. I think this is the #1 choice for me, but I guess the availability will be slim, or maybe even none. And resale value will, not everyone wants to have a water cooling card. So, yeah. I don't know. We'll have to see those cards in real life. And that's all I got for now. I'm going to pre-order now. Oh, yeah, I cannot pre-order now. There's no pre-order yet. I think the pre-order is 2 weeks from now. So, yeah. That's all I got. See you next video. We're going to do unboxing and all kinds of testing on this channel. See you next video. Bye. Oh!